Growing up in Breezewood, Brooke Sigel was no stranger to the Pennsylvania Turnpike, and it seemed to be the perfect place to launch a career.
I grew up on a farm, so I've always liked operating equipment and different things like that, so just thought maybe just take this up.
He's now an equipment operator at the keg maintenance facility, not far from his hometown, and during the winter months, he helps plow the area between the Bedford Interchange and the Allegheny Tunnel. In winter is when the keg team comes together to help people.
As a turnpike operator, that's why we feel we're here. This is our job. Everybody, I think, takes it serious. You know, everybody comes together as a team and really strives to, you know, put the roads first and in return put the traffic and the public first.
He's looking forward to putting away the plow and getting ready for spring highway maintenance, but there's one problem he and all the Turnpike crews face: distracted drivers.
That's just something, when you're on the road, you kind of have to have eyes the whole way around you. You got to look in front of you, beside you, and behind you. It's an unfortunate thing, but it's something that we have to deal with. I'm just like them, and just like them, they want to go home to their families every night.